We found this. Do you know what it is?
I know exactly what this is, and now this memory stick totally makes sense.
A memory stick? Is that like a broomstick, but for your brainy bits? I certainly could use a good sweeping, don't you know?
It's a crazy clone who goes again.
I've read stuff in the history books about the lost payroll of 1863. It must be what they're after.
The payroll sergeant, trapped behind enemy lines, buried the gold and made a map to it. It's been lost for over a century.
Too many ghosts.
You must find the lost payroll gold, give it to the ghosts, and then they can rest in peace.
Hold the phone. The fake ghost of Abe Lincoln has a point. If we find the gold, we could use it to lure in the ghost sergeant and trap him.
A trap? That's totally my thing.
No, excuse me, that's my thing.